Hi, and welcome to Thryv's video learning series. Today we'll be going over the Social Content Library. The Social Content Library provides a space to create and save posts scheduled later. By having content created in advance, you can prepare an effective social media strategy and plan your posts efficiently. Your content library is an essential tool when managing your social media strategy. To create a post to add to your library, click on Create Content here. This will open a window that will allow you to create posts as you normally would. Under the settings gear here, you can manage your library in bulk actions. You can bulk upload your pictures from your device under Upload Images, and if you have posts in a CSV file, you can upload it in under Upload CSV content. Import recent posts will let you import posts from a connected social account, and bulk operations allows you to take actions such as adding captions, recategorizing content, or deleting content. To schedule an existing post to your calendar, you can click the try dots here, and then Schedule Post. This will take you to a window to choose what day and time to schedule this, as well as the accounts you want to publish on. You can also choose to edit the content, duplicate it, or delete it from your library. The software keeps track of different post stats and will show a quick preview at the bottom of each post. This tells you if the post is eligible to show in a post schedule, how many times it is showing in one of your publishing queues, how many times it was posted already, and how many captions it has. The color coding here correlates with what categories the post belongs to. By clicking into the post itself, you can see if the post is in one of your posting schedules and a breakdown of how the post performed both overall and per platform. The content library can be filtered by color-coded categories. You can assign your posts to certain categories to not only organize your content, but you can also use categories to further customize the type of post when creating post plans. You can edit or add to your categories by clicking Add Manage here. Categories are internal only and will not publish to your social media accounts. You also have the option of filtering your posts by clicking here. This will give you other filtering options such as ordering by the date created, unused post first, media type, and more. If you have additional questions or would like more help, navigate to the Help button in the top right. Here, you can search our Knowledge Center for walkthrough guides, video tutorials, and helpful articles. You can access our community, a forum where users can ask questions and it will be answered by another Thryv user or one of our team members. You can reach our support team 24/7 by phone or live chat, and you can also schedule an appointment with one of our service specialists.